Window replacement is becoming an AI-discovered market. Homeowners and contractors are asking platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Copilot, Google AI Mode, and Google AI Overviews to recommend brands, compare options, and explain pricing. That means the first competitive shortlist may now be formed inside an AI answer before a buyer visits a dealer, showroom, or brand website. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, founder and CEO of Siteworks Studio. At Siteworks Studio, we study how brands show up across Google, AI answers, and the public sources buyers trust before making decisions, and how that visibility turns into credible citations, comparisons, and recommendations. The benchmark looked at window replacement brands and products in the United States residential construction and home improvement market. It analyzed 1,280 observations across 6 AI platforms, focused on 3 high-intent clusters: best windows and doors brands, brand comparisons, and pricing and cost. The dataset included Andersen, Champion Windows, JELD-WEN, Marvin, Milgard, Pella, ProVia, Renewal by Andersen, Simonton, and Window World. It is a June 2026 snapshot, and it reflects only 3 of the 10 total prompt clusters in the full LLM Authority Index report. So the right way to read this is as a directional market benchmark rather than a complete market census. The strongest finding is concentration. Pella leads the category with 21.1% of the modeled monthly AI opportunity value, equal to $2.11 million in benchmark value. Pella appeared in 66.6% of all prompts and earned valid recommendation credit in 50.9% of appearances. That is a strong conversion from being visible to being recommended. Andersen is the strongest challenger. It captured $1.88 million in modeled monthly AI authority value, and it led the pricing and cost cluster with $1.12 million. Andersen also had the best average recommended rank in the category at 1.77, which means that when AI systems recommended Andersen, they often placed it first or second. Marvin holds a clear third position with $1.13 million in modeled monthly AI authority value and a 26.8% top 3 rate. Its net sentiment score of 0.92 was among the strongest in the category. The business lesson for window replacement leaders is that raw visibility can be misleading. A brand can be named in an AI answer and still fail to make the shortlist. JELD-WEN is the clearest example. It appeared in 31.6% of all prompts, but earned valid recommendation coverage in only 13.3% of those appearances. Its top 3 rate was 4.1%, and its average recommended rank was 4.01. On Gemini, the gap was wider. JELD-WEN appeared in 24.5% of prompts, but earned a valid recommendation in only 1.9%. Simonton and Champion Windows show similar patterns. They appear in category conversations, but they rarely advance into high-value shortlist positions. For executives, this is the distinction that matters. Mentions create awareness, but valid recommendations, top 3 placement, rank 1 placement, and positive framing are closer to the commercial moment. The benchmark also shows that platform-level performance varies meaningfully. Pella was especially strong on Perplexity with a 51.1% top 3 rate and 58.0% valid recommendation coverage. Andersen performed best on Google AI Mode with a 27.9% rank 1 rate and 546.7 thousand in AI authority value. Renewal by Andersen showed notable strength on Google AI Overviews with an 8.5% rank 1 rate. This matters because buyers may move across several AI systems during a single research process. A brand that performs well on one platform may be weaker on another. For marketing and growth teams, AI search visibility has to be monitored at the prompt and platform level, especially across consideration, comparison, and decision stage queries. The report points to a deeper issue. AI recommendation performance depends on the public evidence layer. AI systems synthesize from official brand content, review aggregators, comparison guides, industry publications, community discussions, and search visible source material. Brands with clear product information, warranty content, energy performance data, dealer or installer details, third-party validation, and consistent entity information give AI systems more trustworthy material to work with. Brands with thin or inconsistent evidence may still be mentioned, but they are less likely to earn ranked positive recommendation credit. The benchmark does not prove that any single source directly causes an AI output. It does show that citation architecture, third-party evidence, and consistent public representation are now strategic inputs for recommendation stage visibility. The modeled monthly AI opportunity value in the benchmark is $1897 million, and that figure should be read carefully. It is modeled benchmark value, not revenue, pipeline, policy volume, quote volume, or guaranteed ROI. The practical takeaway is straightforward. In window replacement, brands should stop measuring AI performance by mentions alone. Leadership teams need to understand where they are visible, where they are recommended, where they rank, which prompts carry commercial risk, and which sources shape the AI answer. If AI systems are forming the shortlist, citation architecture becomes a growth priority.